Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I will show you a new feature which is not exactly a new, but there is a new function in the user interface. How we can change element color in Canva. As you can see, I changed this yellow to green. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So, first I just duplicate this page. The old method was this feature was already inside the Canva. Go into the edit, adjust, scrolling down, and here in the color edit, we already have this feature with these three bars. We can change the hue, saturation, and the brightness. And you also know we can change the color of lots of elements, but from now, that's happening also with the photos. As you can hear in the top, those two colors are detected by the Canva. And if I just click on it, we can change the color as how we did it before for all kind. How we can change the color for any other element. Here we can change to any, or if you have a hexacode, exact hexacode what you would like to use, or from here if you would like to change it to specific color what you see in any other image, I will show you how. So just using again the octopus photo, and I would like to change to this yellow, like this fish. I just add this image to here and change this green, go into the add new color, go into the color picker, and like this. And now I can remove this image from this picture, from this Canva. And this one I just would like to change to green. I like this neon green. So that's very easy, but now it's a really handy tool. So actually the feature was already inside the Canva, but now in a different position location also in the user interface, and actually functionality is also a bit redesigned, and we can even picking a color, and that's pretty amazing. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything on a Canva, and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description, where you can find other great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another amazing Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text-to-image prompts for image generation for different kind of AI applications. So if you are interested on this area also, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned before, you can find the link in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.